We're here in the garden. It's 1 week before Christmas. It's the 18th of December. Late spring. Late afternoon. It's about 6:30. So right now we're trying to pick some of these peas. And there are lots of peas to pick and lots of peas to shuck. So we're going to do a quick tour around the garden before the sun goes away and see what we've got. Alright. We have lots of sugarloaf cabbages. Some have already been taken out and gone to the recent market day. We have lots of chamomile. Some of it is in flower. Whoa, let's focus. And that's for making tea and other things for chamomile. Got some lovely cosmos everywhere in the garden, interspersed with various lettuces and things going to seed. We have our first tomatoes, interspersed with basil and a few other things. Today we harvested a whole lot of potatoes. And planted out more lettuces and silver beet. Oh, there's some lovely cauliflower. Another cauliflower will be ready soon. Somewhere in there. Yep, there it is. Oh, there's one. Alright. We have lots of courgettes. Lots of chives. More cauliflowers, more peas. Enough parsley. And lots of wonderful broccoli. Now that's a big broccoli. And here's a red cabbage going to seed for us. Lots of things going to seed. We sold lots of seed at the market the other day for broccoli. Oh, beans. Eggplant. Red onions. And lots of tall beans. Here's some corn. More broccoli. And some giant sunflowers. Alright. Well, I better get busy and harvest these things, and we're signing out for now. Adios.